Today, we're introducing an ingenious solution, AGen. You no longer need to open the box to check what's inside. Imagine this: you have a warehouse with 7,000 boxes. Instead of opening each one, you can simply scan the barcode and instantly know what's stored inside. Watch this video to revolutionize your inventory management. First, you enter the item's name. Then, you scan the box's barcode to record it. After that, you snap a photo of its contents and save the information. Once you've saved the data, you can simply scan the barcode with your phone and instantly see what's inside each box. So, let's head to the warehouse and see how this solution works. Inside the warehouse, your preparation work involves saving the data to AGen first. If your item's box doesn't have a barcode, you can print a barcode label and attach it to the box. After you print out the sticker, simply attach it to the box. You can customize the sticker using ZPL commands to include images, names, barcodes, or any other information you require inside the AGen software. In this video, the sticker I created includes an image, a name, and a barcode.
Please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel, follows our Facebook's pages and visit our websites www.alcadc.com.